Let's look briefly at how the communication process works with ARCHLINE. The architect may be in need of a solution. The architect would come to know ARCHLINE by word of mouth or by ARCHLINE's marketing. The architect would first communicate by telephone or email. ARCHLINE would then immediately respond describing all processes required to produce a project and present options to the architect, different ways of communicating with us. The only thing the architect needs in order to access our FTP site is his own computer, access to an online internet browser, and an email address. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, as simple to use as email, but more powerful for handling the transfer of large drawing files, which normal email was never designed to do. There are various types of information which the architect might provide to ARCHLINE to get started, including meeting notes, hand sketches, hand-drafted detailed drawings, photos, code information, zoning information, and design requirements. These can then be digitized by camera as JPEG files, or the paper copies and redline sets can be delivered to us by mail or courier. A unique username and password is provided which accesses folders and files exclusive to the architect and accessible 24/7, 365 days a year. ARCHLINE also makes available live internet sessions through a website, www.gatherplace.net. This enables the architect a more hands-on approach. The architect can see ARCHLINE's computer screen when discussing any issue that proves too much of a challenge to describe over the telephone. The architect can also grant permission to see his computer screen. These sessions save time, and issues can be addressed immediately. The architect then notifies ARCHLINE by email of every upload. ARCHLINE then downloads and addresses the architect's needs. Upon review of the architect's information, ARCHLINE typically composes a list of questions and sends by email, and then calls to discuss. For complicated design issues, ARCHLINE will pull the architect into a live CAD session using www.gatherplace.net. Progress uploads are made once a week back to the FTP site containing CAD and PDF files, and then the architect is notified. The architect then downloads and reviews the drawings. The architect can plot and redline the paper sheets or use the PDF files to input comments and markups. After the first week, the architect has experienced the various channels of communication in one entire cycle, resulting in a progress set of drawings. This will be the first indicator of ARCHLINE's high quality, high velocity, and low cost.